Hi, my name is Tim, and I'm staying at the InterContinental Hotel in Athens. The Athenaeum InterContinental is a luxury five-star hotel located in the centre of Athens. The hotel is part of the IHG group and is rated as one of the best hotels in the city. It's located in the Koulinaki area. It's close to the business district, it has a metro station nearby, and it's a good base for exploring the main sites in the city. As you first enter the hotel, you are greeted by a huge lobby area with a marbled floor and some fun modern art pieces. The reception area is straight in front of you as you enter the hotel. Let's go up and have a look at my room. I'm a member of the IHG loyalty programme and was lucky enough to be upgraded to a room on the club floor. The room was a really good size. It felt light and airy with the sunshine streaming in. It was luxurious and comfortable with the added bonus of the seating area. The bathroom was also a really good size and spotlessly clean. It had all the usual amenities with the benefit of a kettle and a coffee machine. The club floor offers good views over the city. Staying on the club floor gave us access to the club lounge, which was a wonderful bonus for our stay at the hotel. It is more expensive to book a room that gives you access to the club lounge, but it's worth thinking about offsetting that cost against the value you receive from the free food and drinks which are on offer in the lounge during the day and in the evening. You also get to enjoy it as a quiet and relaxing space after a busy day of sightseeing or business meetings. You will have access to the wonderful roof terrace with its direct views over the Acropolis, which will help to make your stay extra special. We spent a lot of time on the roof terrace enjoying the stunning views. What could be better than starting your day having breakfast overlooking the Acropolis? The breakfast in the club lounge offered a good selection of hot and cold options, as well as a range of pastries and fruits. There's lots to choose from, and you can dine inside in the air-conditioned comfort of the lounge, or you can take your breakfast outside and dine on the terrace and soak up the views over the city. A great feature of the hotel is the outdoor swimming pool. It's a good size and set in a smart area with sun loungers. With the summers in Athens usually being hot and sunny, it's a good space to enjoy. There are a couple of sun decks on a higher level, offering some additional space and views over the pool. Next to the pool area, you'll find a light and airy space, which is the main dining room for breakfast. The dining room is called Cafe Zoe and also serves lunch later in the day. Back in the lobby area, there is a large sunlit atrium, which is home to the Art Lounge and Art Bistro. The lobby bar is a fun space to relax in during the day or the evening. The hotel has a range of facilities, including a conference centre, a business centre, a shopping arcade, a gym and spa. It was time to head up to the club lounge and onto the roof terrace to enjoy spectacular views of the sunset over the city skyline. During the day, an afternoon tea is served in the club lounge, but as the evening falls, there is yet more food served and a free bar for drinks. Up on the 10th floor, the hotel has a sophisticated restaurant called Premier. The restaurant serves Mediterranean food and leads through to a wonderful rooftop bar with impressive views over the city. It has a luxurious ambience and it's a special place to dine under the stars whilst overlooking the Acropolis. It also provides a smart venue to meet friends for cocktails before or after dinner. Sadly, it was time to leave the hotel and Athens, but I would love to return another time. I've had a great time staying at the InterContinental Hotel in Athens. If you've enjoyed my video and would like to see some more of my travels, please click subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.